progress. Hey, hi. Sorry for the delay. I don't know. System took a time to restart.
Good
You're
morning,
able
sir.
to hear me? Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Good evening.
Good morning.
Good evening. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Uh, to finish everything. Hi. Anyone have any doubts regarding to the yesterday's discussion? Or everything is clear for you?
No problems.
Okay. You're able to see my screen?
No. Now we can.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. What are the things we covered? Up to
Till negative indexing we have done. Positive indexing we have done. Negative indexing we have done.
okay, slicing part and axing part we didn't do.
Yes, sir.
You're right. Okay. Okay, see this one, positive index and negative index. If you observe, I created a stringlet here. For your reference, I tried to provide it indexes for each and everything at here. Just see here how the index is starting and how the index is behaving in positive and as well as in negative manners. If it's a negative index, it will start from -1. If it's a positive index, it will start from 0. And the space also will be considered as a one character inside to the string. Okay, is it clear for each and everyone? If I want to access for, how you will do? If I want to access for, yes, for.
A of
I want to access this
15 to
part.
15 to 15 to 18.
Yes, 15 to 18, not 17. Remember,
Yeah.
if you
15
take
to
17,
18.
it will come on up to 16 only. Okay. How you will get up to n, up to n,
0, 14.
0 to 14.
0 to,
14.
14.
Range.
and is there any another way?
We don't want to mention
14. No need. Starting point, no need to
Semicolon
mention.
and 14.
Yes. Okay. Right. If you want to mention each and every second one,
Second one.
Yeah, okay.
there is no starting index, no ending index.
earlier.
Now I need to give 2. Here you can mention the interval. Okay. If you want to get the third one, 3. Fourth one, 4. Fifth one, 5th. Sequence. Okay. From here to here, how you will bring from fur to E.
15 colon, we don't want to mention the end.
Okay. Another way. $15 to $31, you will get the answer,
Yes.
or it will throw errors.
Because there is no space at the last. So it will give an error.
We don't think it will give error.
Let's see. Already we defined this is a Python. This is Python for data science. Okay. C is one. We will get the result or not.
We'll get the result.
We will get the result.
Okay.
Oh.
And the next another way is nothing but
Just
you're going to remove the. Okay. Now tell me with help of the negative index how you are going to access from 24 to 30. Science. Only a science word. How you will access with negative index.
minus 7 colon
Sorry.
minus 7
Minus 7 range.
minus 7 colon null or something. I'm not sure.
Minus 7 colon. Okay. Is it okay?
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
You're not recording the class?
The recording is already happening.
Okay.
Don't try to concentrate on the recordings. Please try to concentrate on the class. Okay, anyway, you're spending time, right? Whenever you missed, then you can think about all those.
But if there is very long sentence where we don't know the index number, here we
Sorry?
know if when there is very long sentence and
Mhm.
we don't know the index number, like right now we know like F is on
Oh,
15.
okay, this is for example only creating. In real time, we have index of columns, we have index of rows. Okay, most of the columns and most of the rows only will use indexes with the list. And if you don't know the index also, we have some methods to identify.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
With negative indexing, right, you told that we can give a third attribute or something like that incremental sequence, right?
Mm,
With negative sequence, how we'll give it as this just 2 or minus 2, how we'll give that incremental value in negative index.
okay. What is the decreased value of -1?
Like decreased value of -1.
Mm,
It's -2.
mm.
I don't get.
Okay. Here what's happening? For example, if actually n index is 15, we are giving 16.
Yeah.
Okay. 15 is going to decrease 1. -1 is happening.
Okay.
Right? To
Okay.
to eradicate this one, to reduce or to nullify this one, we are increasing one thing and we are fixing this thing.
Okay.
For example, if you want to choose here to here, what you will do?
With
What you
negative
will do?
-7 to -3 will give.
-7 to
-3.
-7, -6,
-5.
-5, -4,
So minus.
-4. What is the one decrease to -4? -5.
Okay. Okay. So
Forget about it. Negatives, value increasing,
okay. So we'll just give
number
it as
increasing,
just two.
value will decrease.
Okay, yeah. So we will just give it as if I want to skip it as 2 or 3, we'll just give it as 2. That's it, right?
2 or 3. I
Yeah.
didn't get. I didn't get.
Okay.
I didn't get you what you are asking.
Yeah, no, no, that's what the third attribute. There is one incremental sequence, right? When it is positive index, it's okay. We'll give it as like 3, 10, 3:10:2. So it will jump 2 to time.
Okay.
When it comes to negative, I just want to go back reverse.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Then if that is the case,
Okay.
this will reverse the entire string.
Okay.
It will reverse the entire string.
Okay, that -1.
Yes.
Can you show that this one time how to do this?
Which one?
This
To reverse the.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. See, this is the thing. Now,
Okay.
in other languages, how you are going to do? How much complexity is to reverse a string?
Yeah, it is very hard. We have to write the loops and everything. We have to talk.
Okay.
Got it, got it. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right. Now, what are the things? You mentioned it here. Positive index, negative index completed. Positive index access completed. Negative index access to access a specific element or character inside a sequence to give extract index. If you want a group of elements, slicing. Uh, Slicing index of starting one and okay, start index, end index. Okay, right. And interval. Sorry, I forgot to mention this thing. The indexing concept is same in lists and tuples and string, all these things. Indexing concept is same. And in pandas and in data analysis used other libraries, these are the fundamentals. In machine learning algorithms, when you're selecting the data for training and testing each and everything, this is the fundamental. Okay, is it clear? Up to now, is it clear for you?
Yes, got it. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Int float completed, and this is a completed. Negative indexing completed. Slicing. Okay. Slicing. Can anyone face the out of index error?
Yes, sir.
In what situations it came into the picture?
Actually, when I try to, I used to list, sir.
Mhm.
So when I try to access the elements using the index value, if it is like, if suppose I'm having just 3 elements in my list, and if I'm trying to go out of that range, it gave me the
Okay.
index error. If there's 3 elements are there, and if I try to access the fourth index or something, it showed me like
Yes,
out or something.
absolutely. And anyone face that problem? Can you please create a list? Can you please create a string once, each and everyone?
Excuse me, sir. What do we need to create?
Can you please create a sequence of text, whatever it may be? You can create. Just can create a string. Created one sequence.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please try to implement all the index models. Try to access single element with positive index and negative index. Try to access group of elements with positive index and with negative index. Without using start index, without using end index. In positive and negative. And try to access the sequence. Try to reverse the string. Once try each and every one. If you're facing any problem or if you have any doubt, please let me know. I'll explain the part where you're confusing. But the indexing concept is, hot for our data analysis. If you want any programs or if you want any loops at any, if you search Google and it will give something. But if you are confusing with index now, you're not able to do anything. Each and everyone, is it clear for all of you? You're able
Sir.
to access?
Yes, sir.
All of you did it?
Yes, sir.
Ganga, Sunita, Tanya, Remia,
Yes, sir.
Sudha,
Yes, sir.
Padida. So this is your first class?
Yeah, it's my first class.
You have the recordings of previous sessions or you don't have?
Pawan sent me like 3,
Okay.
the first 3. I was able to watch only one, so I'll do it in a couple of days.
Okay, okay. Please try to follow. It will
Yeah,
be,
sure.
it will be little easy.
Okay,
But please try to complete those previous videos as soon as possible.
sure.
Is anyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Tried the reverse of the string?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The
Yes, sir,
reverse
I did it.
functionality. The reverse functionality you can do with help of, you know, with the reverse function also. String
Yes.
reverse function also. How you will do the reverse functionality? Previously, see this one, this is the upper, these are the default different string handling methods. See this one is alpha, lower, make trans, partitions, replace, or find just partitions, split line start with, swap case, and z fill. How the reverse function is going to happen? How the reverse function? Can you able to find out? Here I showed to you, just see. So now this is a
Sir, I
what
tried
try
doing
to
that
find.
reverse, but it couldn't. As there is an error, same error I got, like string object has no attribute of reverse or something. It was only with list.
Yes, I got the same error, attribute error.
Okay.
When I work with list, it worked fine. That reverse function, it worked with list. But when I tried with the string, it
Hmm.
doesn't work out.
It doesn't?
It doesn't work. I got like there is no such
Okay.
attribute in string or some no such object or something in a string or something.
Okay. For that, for that, you know what we need to do? We need to write a program to reverse the string. We need to write a program to reverse the string. How you will write and tell me, try to develop your logic each and every one. I didn't tell anything related to loops. What I'm asking, you need to reverse the loop. For that,
Yeah.
I don't want any syntax. I want step-by-step process. How you want to do? What is your approach to solve this problem? How you will reach to reverse the string? Each and everyone can try. Can I give 2 minutes? How, on what basis you will try to develop the logic and what's your thought on reversing the string? Don't know anything. You don't know anything about programming, but just I'm asking about the approach.
Mm. Sir, what did you say that time when we need to decrease the reverse number? Uh, it's starting from -1 and then how to go to the previous number?
Okay. I didn't get you what you were asking.
Uh, now you just told us about going reverse, like we are at -1, we are at the end, and now we want to how to decrease the number.
By adding one more thing, right?
Okay.
-2 is less than -1.
Hmm.
How you are going to add? If it is a positive, if you want to decrease, you need to add -1. Just see, just I'll tell you.
Hmm.
For example, if you want to decrease 3, what you need to do?
It's 3.
You will add -1. It is -1. If you want to decrease this, what you need to do? You need to add -1. What is the answer at here? 2.
2
Here, one
minus
second, one
2
second. I'll take 3. 3 and -3. -1, -1. Here 2. Here
minus 4.
-4.
Okay. Hmm.
Right? In positive numbers, 3, 2, 1,
Yes,
4,
yeah.
like this. But in negative numbers, which is the biggest one? -1 is the
And
biggest one, right?
Yes. Yes. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes.
If you have any idea, just try to write and post it in our chat. Your approach, okay, first I'll take string, I'll access each and every element, I'll do that, I'll do this, after this, like that.
So can we just like paste what small program I just read?
Yes, 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 you can paste. I think what you written. Okay. You created a string and you created an empty string. For I in range, length of AA minus
Starting -1 and then incremental value -1.
starting -1 and incremental value -1 and up to -1.
Length -1.
Okay. Okay, right? Then after that, you will adding that last element to the first element.
Yes. Appending each string, each character to the. Yes.
Okay. Any other one tried? Anyone tried to develop your intuition to solve this problem? Are you away?
I tried, but I didn't get it, sir.
Okay, Damian, no problem. So, oh, okay. And the remaining one?
I'm trying to write, but I'm not sure.
Trying, sir.
Okay, Gayatri, previous programming experience
Yes, sir.
on Python or
I,
any other language?
Actually, Python, I not work much, very limited, like just. I worked on C, sir. C programming language.
Okay, okay, done. If you are not able to write a program also, it's fine. Just I ask that, the way how you're going to approach. Okay, now I'll create one function. Okay, okay, not required to use. my string anyone? Okay, we'll leave about it. So now, if we discussed about loops and all those things, definitely you'll get an idea.
We need to use len function.
Sorry,
We need to find first length.
we can able to achieve this particular thing in multiple ways. We can use index, we can use length, we can use, by using negative indexing. We can achieve this in a multiple ways.
Okay, we'll try, sir.
And no problem. I mean to say like why? Because we didn't discuss still, right? To just give an awareness, I asked you to
Mhm.
think about it.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone know what is the meaning of repetition? Repetition.
Like word repeating
Repetition
in a
is
particular sentence.
Repeating.
Repeated letters in that
repeating
string.
one.
Sorry.
Repeated letters in that string.
Yes. Clear? What happened?
It's repeated 3 times. This particular string.
Okay. Now
Concatenation.
nothing but it's a concatenation, right?
Yeah.
It's a repetition. Multiplication is nothing but a repetition. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we're completed with this.
వెంటనే తాకు.
Anyone have any doubts up to here now? Are clear?
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay. And now what we need to discuss typecasting. Okay. Typecasting. What is the meaning of casting in our regular day-to-day life? What's the meaning of casting in our regular day-to-day life?
It's like changing or something. Changing a format. Changing the changing to a certain form.
Sorry?
It's like
Changing into?
changing forms from one
Yes.
To another floor, yeah.
Yes. Mainly up to now we discussed these basic fundamental data types, right? Int, float, complex, bool, string. Now, now I'm changing one data type into another data type that is called casting. What I am changing? Type of the data I am changing. So that is the reason these functions are called as a type casting functions. Okay, is it clear
Yes, sir.
for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Typecasting functions. People will ask, they don't ask how you will convert integer into float or float into int. How we will change the data type. You just need to tell we need to use typecasting. Okay, see what it will do. Integer function, integer function. Just try. I'll tell what type of things you
Give
need
the
to
int part of the
integer. You're giving.
Yeah, it will show integer
it
part.
will give the integer part of the value.
Okay, and so 13 plus 14j.
Oh,
What you will get? You got it?
Yes, sir.
What it is
It's a,
saying? It is saying I'm not able
com-
to convert.
it's a complex one. Complex to integer.
See, this one will be the
So
interesting.
your voice is not audible. It's like too low or something.
Too low?
Yeah, now it's okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, now
my
it's okay.
mic went away. Okay, see this one. This will be little interesting. What you will get? The result.
one, one.
Yes. For false, anyway you'll get 0.
Zero.
And
For string.
what you will get? Result.
Mm.
What it is saying?
Invalid literal.
And read the error clearly.
Invalid literal for int with base 10.
Valid literal for
Okay, integer
And
is nothing but base 10. Base 10 means nothing but decimal, right? But invalid literal for int function. We given a wrong one for int function. Okay, Surabhi. It's not a base 10, it is saying. It is looking for some base 10 to convert into base 10, but it's not possible. And what are the different things we forgot? Okay, now you see. This is one special feature. String observed.
yep.
Now int got it? The same error which you saw previously. Because of the decimal point, it is feeling like that this is a string once again.
double quotation.
Okay. If you observe here, we are able to it's able to convert, but here it's not able to convert because of this particular thing. If it is not there means it will convert. Okay, is it clear?
It's like converting string into integer, sir.
Yes,
it
but
will read it.
this is a special condition. That string should be in the form of the string should be formed with help of the integers. That is the crux at here.
Okay.
Okay,
The
please.
So string means it can be a number. Actually, I thought until now I thought it can be a number. It's like a character.
Yes, I meant to say, like, for example, in sometimes we'll have a situations or number also will come in the form of text. For example, you can take a mobile number. Sometimes it will, it's in the form of text format. Just I'm saying this is the functionality what we have. If we have a string also, that string forms with help of numbers, we have a chance to convert into number with typecasting. Okay. Now, can you please try for float all these combinations? Float. Anyone completed?
Hmm.
If you provided the int,
It will convert in float.
if you provided Boolean value, it will convert into float. If you provided what you will get?
Oh, will it convert Boolean value?
Yes, it will convert.
Oh, it's
How it will convert?
Float true means it's giving 1.0.
it's giving error.
See this
Oh,
one?
okay.
I also got Boolean error, maybe true, and I gave it inside the quotes. That's why.
Okay, see now float,
Capital
integer
letters.
given, float given, and complex given, Boolean given,
Oh, okay. So
and now I am giving string. Mm,
the string is not converted.
What is this? Remember, what type of things are called as a type errors and what type of things are called as a what type of errors are called as a value errors. Value errors, type errors, and syntax errors. These are the three main categories of errors which you will see.
Yes, sir. For float, if we give complex, it's giving type error.
No. I'm not asking exactly. You need to be in a. It need to be under your supervision. What when you are getting type error, when you are getting value error.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, if you observe float, float 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, see now. Clear? Is it clear? Float executed integer also if it is in the form of it is formed with help of the numbers, numerals. Okay, just try with this. It can convert string which is in the form of sorry, decimals. Okay, clear?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
like that, like
Yes, sir.
that. Can you please try for the remaining complex, boolean, and string? We'll try with all the five categories.
Yeah, I did. I did for complex, sir. It gave type error. It cannot convert it seems. For Boolean, it gave, if I give true, float of true, it gave 1.0.
Can you please prepare like this and share with me in the chat?
Okay.
Someone, oh, I'll tell whom do what. Ganga, you can do for Boolean. Gayatri, you can do for complex. And Sudha, you can do for, what is the remaining? String. Remaining people need to do all. Like in the same format which we tried it here. Complex Boolean int.
Like a bool of like that, right, sir? That format, bool.
Sorry.
No, sir, the format actually float of like that boolean is bool of like, right? I think
Yes, I mean, so you need to try with all the combination.
For complex.
Asian, you are able to understand?
Yes.
Okay. For Boolean, completed. All those combinations are complex. Anyone we need to do, this is a fine. Any other errors you got? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any other errors you got?
So only for string I have got.
But complex also it cannot convert.
Complex?
Yes, sir.
See this one? For Boolean, I am giving integer. Just check. Okay. If you have anything inside to the Boolean, even though if it is a space also, it will give true.
Everything is showing true.
Okay.
So if it is the complex also inside the bool, it is showing true.
Uh,
So I am saying everything inside to the bool will show true. Except except
0.
0 and 0 length string.
Like if I give 0, 1, 0, then it's giving oh,
What you're getting?
yeah. If I give bool and 0, 0, then it gives false. And
Yes,
if
why it is giving
bool,
false?
because it's starting with 0.
Bool 0 0. Is it
Yeah.
giving a result for you?
Yeah, it's giving false
Why? Why it is giving false?
Because it
because
has
0
to check or something.
it's taking 0 from because after that when I give bool 101, then it's giving true.
0 is
Bool
false.
So 0, it is false, right?
0 is false.
Yeah,
That's
0.
right.
0 is false. There is no doubt
Yes.
in that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Boolean value
But
is
you need
0
to
false.
remember one thing. But you need to remember one thing. When you're defining an integer with starting with 0, then you will get an error. Why? Because this 0 indication we assigned it to, the language is assigned it to binary, octal, hexadecimal, right? 0b or 0b.
Mm.
0 O or 0 O. 0x or 0x. These are used for binary and octal and hexadecimal format.
Decimal.
But in typecasting functions, it will take and it will, it's giving the result. But here you need to take bool 0 is a false. Only these are the false statements. 1 second. This is the false statement. Hmm. Okay, clear?
0 is given within double quotation. It is saying it's true.
Yes, yes. Why? Because the condition is what? If
The
anything is
string.
there in between the in the
Okay.
string, it
Okay.
is true.
It's considering it as string value as 0.
String value is
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Strings are the characters. I mean to say like zeros are the characters in the string.
Okay. Okay. I got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you completed for the string.
Yes.
Yes.
What it will do? What it will do?
It will bring it in quotes.
Single quote.
Single quote.
It doesn't think about what we are giving. It will convert it.
Convert it into a string.
Okay? It doesn't think. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
We'll update this. Okay. Up to this. Completed. Okay, now next what we need to do? Okay. We need to complete these things tomorrow. Okay. Okay. If you have any doubts, please let me know. And please practice these things.
Yes.
Okay.
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 Thank you.
Thank you. Anyone have any doubts?
Not as of
Farida, you can please go through the recordings. I'll get a clarity. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
Yes.
Bye bye.